Right, here we go. The end of day 5, I think. Lots of bits and pieces in the middle. As you can probably see from here, I've got quite a few boards on. Devil of an own job to try and get the Gable to work. But as you can see, I've started and it appears that I've got it right. Totally happy with what I've got. Just a quick spin up there. Really need to work out how I've got to get my beams. But Knob Fiddler's doing very well. Visit from Woody, Miss World today, and a visit from Sav, who brought in a pile of old shit. Nah, seriously, it's good stuff. It's going to look good hanging up in the bar. And out of water feature, but I'm not going to probably show you that. I'll keep that as a surprise. There we are. We've started. Well, suppose the next episode is the roof will be on. See you then.